Hello everyone, it is Lorena Bina here, and today I'm showing you how I have my VTuber on during streams. So first, you're going to want to have Vroid Studio, VTuber Editor, and VTuber Maker off of the Steam store. You do not need to have VTube Studio, but that is optional. I don't play around with it. I only use those 3 apps that I just said. So, those will be needed. The other is optional. Once you have those 3, we're going to start with Vroid Studio. Okay, so now that we have Vroid Studio up, you are going to hit Create New. You can choose between feminine and masculine styles, so I'm going to choose the female style. On this app, you can change like the size of the eye, the orientation, stuff like that. You can change the full, just like, no, this is a full face set, so that's going to change the shape of the face, the eyes, eyelashes, eyebrows. If you want to customize it individually, you're going to have to go to different things. This is also like custom eye sets, so if you want, you can just go to irises and then change it. Highlights, it's got a better look. So like, that only changes the highlights, otherwise you're going to want to change the irises. You've got all these other customizations, hairstyles, body type, outfits to choose from. You can upload your own accessories, I believe, or there's like cat ears, rabbit ears, tails, if you're into that. And then you can just see the overall look, the lighting, all that. When you are doing eyes and stuff, you can change, can't see it really, but hold on. You can change between the right and left eye, what colors, so like we can make this eye blue and the other eye is still brown. So yeah. So I'm just going to customize this real quick, and then we will move on to the next step. Okay, so now that I have finished customizing my character, I just threw some random things together. You're going to go up here, and which you can upload it to the hub, but I'm just going to export it because I don't really need to share it. So you're going to export it, you're going to give it a title, sample 2. We're gonna give it, you have to have, these 2 are required, this other stuff is not, so you have to create a title and the creator. And then you're gonna hit export. Once it's done exporting, it should open up your files where you'll have your other characters that you may have created. You can change the file name and just save it. So that's going to save. Then you can just close down the program, and we're going to go into VTuber Editor. So here you're going to, you can actually choose to pick a public avatar. You don't even need to use Vroid Studio, but that's only if you want to customize it yourself. We're going to hit New Avatar, give it a name. You're going to hit File, it's going to open up your files again, open, and upload. Here you can change some extra stuff, like how you want it to move with you and your camera. Hit Upload Avatar. And then you can also give it other like dresses, so here we'll go into here. So you can give it like little stickers and stuff, props, like a little basket or something, I don't know. And even like a keyboard or stuff, so she's like typing and you can move that up or down or whatever. I don't really do anything with that. We're not gonna save it. But anyway, so now that she's here, we don't need this anymore. So now we're going to go and we're going to open Vtuber Maker, which, by the way, for both Vtuber Editor and Vtuber Maker, you're going to want to sign in with the same exact account that you created on each one. And then once you're there, I pay for a plan so I can have multiple NPCs, but the free version, you can only have one, so I'm just letting you know that ahead of time. You're going to go into Avatar, you're going to click on your first one. You might have one of these public ones already. I think you can just delete that and then change it or something. Is that going to work for me? Oh, okay. That's right. So once you hit this, you're going to go to private. All your little characters should show up. You're going to click on the one you want. And she appears right there. So now that she is there, we're going to move my character normally off the screen. You're going to want to also turn on tracking, which the basic plan, you're going to have the basic free tracking and the head tracking. Don't know if you'll have anything else. There's even some stuff like, I don't pay for the plus plan, I only pay for the light, which I think is like $5 a month, so it's not bad. But turn on that and the virtual camera, and you can also have it interact with your Twitch stream if you're streaming on Twitch. You just need to install the link and stuff. But anyway, last thing before we leave this app, we are going to go into room and turn on the green, which should appear here. So after you have done all of that, you are going to go into either whatever recording software you use. I have used OBS in the past, but now I use Streamlabs. So I'm going to open that up. Okay, so once you have opened your programs, I'm using Streamlabs, but I have used OBS in the past. You're going to hit scene, you're going to hit sources, hit that plus or whatever, and then you're going to want to do a video capture device, add source, you can give it a name, and then you're going to hit VTube Studio Cam. You want to do a custom resolution where it is 1280 by, 1280 by 720. That's the resolution you want. And that can stay the same. You're going to want to change the video format to RGB. And then everything else can stay the same. So now she is just by herself. And you can have your game in the background. Make sure that the video capture device is on top of the game. Otherwise, if she's below it, if I can get it, if she's below it, you won't see her. And then make sure you also have a webcam, but she should then track your movements. So there we go. Now she's tracking me. And I can play my game, I can move her to be shorter, I can make her bigger, So yeah, that's how I have my VTuber while streaming. I hope this was helpful and not at all confusing, because I'm pretty sure I did a really bad explaining. If you need any more help, just let me know, and I will try to make a new video that is better. Anyway, see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!